Hi everyone. Okay, so it's Spellbinders time. I'm telling you guys, the months are just creeping up. They're just creeping up because I'm like, didn't I just unbox everything that I just unboxed? A lot of videos going up today, and a lot of it's like Stamps of Life, Listed to Jane, Pipsticks, and I'm like, it's already that time. It's so weird. Okay, so this is the clear stamp of the month, and you also get the coordinating die. Yep. So this is the coordinating die. I get the whole kit and caboodle. My total is like $110, I believe it is. And value, sorry, it's phenomenal. Illustrated, floral, and solid. Oh, this is the glimmer. This thing is like thunkable. This one you can like chuck it at someone and break a tooth. You really kid. It's really heavy duty. So I gotta see how people are using that, because that's awesome. Besides throwing it at, you know, their spouse. But small die of the month, outline sentiments, and it is hello you, hello, and then flowers. But it says thanks, cheers maybe, hello you, yeah. We got it. Not. Peekaboo trellis panels. Ooh, this looks pretty. APG, which is Amazing Paper Grace. I love her stuff every month. I haven't even seen videos, you guys. I have been so obsessed with quilting, and quilting mainly. Oh, this is what everyone's using. The large, oh cool, large die of the month, Strawberry Patch. And I've also, I'm going to learn how to cross stitch. And so I've been like swamped with watching those kind of videos, and I haven't been watching my regular videos, so I'm kind of bummed. Intertwined lattice. Say that 3 times. Intertwined lattice. Intertwined. I don't think I think I'm funny by myself. Sorry guys. You get one folder. Oh, there it is. I knew we could see it better. That's beautiful. I love that. And then with the glimmer, with the glimmer set, you always get the glimmer foil. I love it. Love it. So I mean, that's a good deal on its own, and now you get the card kit, and the card kit is just as amazing. Okay, and this one's called Butterfly Sparkle. Ooh, Butterfly Sparkle. I haven't watched any videos, so I don't know what the sneaks are. You always get 10 envelopes, 10 I have my phone next to me and I thought I had it on vibrate. 10, and then you have the Butterfly Sparkle. Mine are kind of munched a little. We gotta open them, and that way they can get free. They can be free and spread their wings. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I love the colors. Nice. Then you get the sentiments, which I love using on my Project Life. I love these. They're just so useful, and it's a nice gold, but it's a smooth gold, not a big bright gold. Take that for what you will. I don't know. What do you mean? I don't know. So this is the stamp set you get. I love it. That one's beautiful. And you always get pop dots and tape, glue tape, maybe. I can remember most of the time, but sometimes I just can't. So you get a vanilla, a gold, a white, a black, a charcoal, a pink, a light pink, a navy, and a baby blue. And look at me, I know my colors today. I did good. Teacher would be proud of me. I knew my colors today. Double fist pump. Okay, and then you get in your card kit you get not only a stamp set, but you also get a die set, which is just so cool. And that is what it is. It's a butterfly and the frame. Oh, maybe I should show you guys too, not just my own face. Let's see. Butterfly, stars, and there's a sentiment in there, smile often. Awesome. I love it. That's awesome. Okay, and then you get some beautiful sequins And let me check on my babies. And beautiful sequins. And 3 more things and then we're done. Okay, so then we get, oh, I love these for my project life too, you guys. These are so good. They're chipboard stickers. Or chipboard, yeah, stickers. I mean, I would say they're stickers, right? But yeah, look at the black owl. That's beautiful. I love the outline of them. That's really beautiful. I love that. So cool. And then the paper. What's the paper look? It's very subtle. Ooh, beautiful. You get 2 of each. You get the butterflies. Waves. Sentiments. Ooh, pretty. You could fussy cut those flowers out too if you wanted. Black. Oh, look at those dandelions. Is that what they're called? Dandelions, where you blow on them and make a wish, but actually all you're doing is creating weeds in the grass. So, whatever. So, but weeds are also someone's food. So, right? Like goats, right? So, it's the whole trickle effect. Newspaper print. Oh, look at cats. Oh, butterfly cats. They have little butterfly wings. How cute. We will say they're butterfly wings and not that they're angel wings, right? Right. And then you have ombre pink. Ooh, and look at like a Star Wars pink. Star Wars for girls. And then leaves. More dandelions. Wait. And then dots. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, that looks like the brain. You know why? Because I just unboxed, I unboxed Pip Sticks. And I don't think I can, do I have it right here? I do. Let me show you guys. If you didn't watch the Pip Sticks video. What's this one? Look at, you get brains. Does that not match? Look at, because you see that right there? It looks like the brains. So, well, that's what I see. I don't know. Butterflies. Ooh, I love that color combo. That's so pretty. And then we have this one. Okay, so that was that for that. What? Yeah, let's go with it. So, I can't even repeat what I said because that was so random and strange. So, I don't know. I don't know. But me and Ebonics are friends. We are. We're like best buddies. So, and I can even spell that. That's how well we know each other. We're good. Okay, so let me not use the gold since that will probably cast such a glare. Let me use the black. Okay, remember I'm going to speed through these because they do, I think Yana, or the Spellbinders team in general, they do, I love tickets. They do each one individually where you can see it. Oh, daily news. Don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle, you know? If only people would do that. Would not worry about what other people think or do to them. Well, mainly think. Don't worry who likes you, who doesn't. Life's too short. Don't like them back. Because they suck. So, suck it. Smile often, think positively, give thanks, laugh loudly, love others, and dream big. Oh, how cute. And look at and what? So, and then you have beautiful dreamer. You get free commentary with this unboxing apparently. And apparently I'm hyped up since I had 2 exercises today. And I just had breakfast with my coffee. My delicious, delightful coffee. Oh, that one's so cool. Okay, let me go faster because this is, I'm just going to keep rambling and then someone's going to get all mad and be all like, oh, huge. So, I don't know. This is someone else left me a comment that said huge and I was like, well, you want me to go back and know what I said, didn't you? But it's not going to happen. Sorry. If you wanted to tell me off, you needed more than that sentence or more than that word. You needed a sentence. So start from the beginning, please. So if you want to tell me off, please start from the beginning. That way I can go, and I can be pensive about it. Or maybe just not care. So, I don't know. Let's see what the feeling is today. And then we have butterflies. Oh, look at the cat again with those little wings. How cute. Oh, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. Aw, let your dreams be your wings. I love the tickets. You are made of magic and flesh and bones. Oh, look how pretty. That's beautiful. Can you guys see that one? Isn't that pretty? And it kind of has like a newspaper print in her back. I kind of have that same look, but it's more like tattoos. But hey, to each their own. You want newspaper print? Go for it. I prefer color pictures. But yeah, you do you. All right. Anyways, okay, I'm done with the video. All right, guys, I'll leave you alone now. We will talk to you all next month. All right, bye.